In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Actions and Stuff 1.10 on Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, open up Minecraft and you need to go down to this little marketplace tab just like so. Wait for it to load. If you see the pack on this little main page, you can go ahead and select it, or what you can also do is just search up in the very top for Actions and Stuff, just like so. It's going to load for a second and you're going to see Actions and Stuff 1.10 on here. Go ahead and select it and it's going to look something like this for you. If you already own it, you're going to see Activate Texture Pack or Update. If not, you're going to have to purchase it with Minecoins or by getting it through the Marketplace Pass. But essentially select it, wait for it to install, and of course once it does install, you are good to go. It may load for a second for you like it's doing for me. But once it finishes, what you need to go ahead and do is just go back to the little play section, find whatever world it is that you're trying to put it on, and we'll put it on this one right here. Select either the edit, scroll down on here until you see like resource packs, for example, and then just find Actions and Stuff on here in available, and you just got to find it and hit activate. Now, once you hit activate, it's going to go into this active section just like so, where you can customize the settings for it in this area, but that really is the entire process. If it doesn't install for you, what you need to do is go back out to the home page just like so, go to settings, and then from here just scroll down until you see storage on here. Select storage. It's going to load you to a page that looks like this. You need to hit clear marketplace cache, and after that go back and reinstall the pack. You can also go to global resources and apply it to everything if you would like, but that is the entire process. That is how you can get Actions and Stuff 1.10 here on Minecraft Bedrock Edition. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.